Why you need to understand that you are a loser and you are a stupid. I know it sounds really so harsh, but try to understand that. You need to understand this. You don't know anything, even me. So our work is only to learn new things. We just need to keep learning, keep learning, keep learning. No matter what problems we face. It is all about keep going. I know if you are doing something and then of course you will face lots of obstacles or problems. So you don't need to stop. You just need to keep going and never give up. And why do you need to give up? In the end, we all going to die. And that is the great motivation you get from. You don't need anybody motivational speakers. You don't need anybody. You just need to understand, bro, baby, I'm going to die. I need to do something. And I always say, do that much hard work that you wish to get die. That much of level of hard work you can do. You study, just go for it. No matter what problems you always face, don't give any bullshit about it. You just need to keep going. Always remember, we all are stupids. We all are stupid human being. And to become wise, we have to study, we have to learn, we have to experience new things. So, whenever you feel, I don't want to do that, always remember, your mind saying or your mind needs comfort. They don't want to be uncomfortable. So, but you have to understand, bro, if I want something in my life, I have to be uncomfortable. It is as simple as that. No matter what, you have to keep working. You just need to understand, okay, bro, I know, it's fine. I will keep going. But I know, and I will tell you that no, you are saying that I will keep working, but you can't. Even me sometimes. I really don't want to do. I really get frustrated. And even small things. Can you imagine how ridiculous I am? So, whenever you feel like this, try to calm and always say, this situation will go. Yes, it will never long lasting. Like when you are doing masturbating. So, whenever you think, okay, I'm not getting results, you just need to keep working. If you are getting results, keep working. If you are getting worst results, keep working. You don't need to stop. Just work, go, run. If you not going to run, somebody will come and they take your trophy. Got it? So you are stupid, I am stupid. So we just need to be consistent. Only one thing we can do is just be consistent in every field. Consistency is really important thing. If we are consistent only for 18 hours, not 18 hours, my friend, only 18 minutes. I'm not saying that much. You can't. Take an example. Like you want to learn piano. So you just need to give 18 minutes. That's enough. And you just need to do this for 365 days. I know. It's kind of difficult. But what the hell are you saying this? It must be difficult. Otherwise, everybody will do this. Then it becomes so simple. Anybody can do and they become good at it. So, if you are stupid, you have to understand, okay, it will take longer time. Got it? If you want to be great at this, you need 5 or 10 years at least. Got it? So, never say I need fast success. success will come. You don't need to think about those things. You just keep working, no matter what. If you're not getting results, fuck it. Just enjoy the process. And if you think, no bro, what the hell the point of doing this stuff if I'm not getting results? Then you need to understand that then you have to understand what are you doing, what things should be done by you and you are not doing that, what mistake you need to avoid but you are not avoiding that. So just keep working, my friend. If anybody criticize you, take criticism and keep working. If anybody say you can't, then say yes I can't, but keep working. If anybody say you are a crazy guy, say yes I am, just keep working. Everybody will see your success. So no matter what, never give up. That is my point. Got it?